Which controller, Shabab? Ratio controller. Ratio. Ratio control. Ratio control system. Shabab, can we give some examples for the cascade control from our daily life? Cascade control in our daily life. One brother is writing speed and fuel. Approximately, yes, you can say. Any other cascade example? Right now the time is 2:41. Can we go to the 3:41 without passing 3? Is it possible, Shabab?
No.
No. So this is the biggest cascade we have, right?
Yes.
So can we change the? Can we bring our car to D without pushing the brake?
No, but it depends.
No.
Where
So
the
this is cascade. So
Yeah.
first we push the brake, then we bring the stick to the D. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes, teacher, with you.
That's good. Lot of brothers they are saying yes. That's good. Okay, Shabab. Can we put the how many brothers they know how to cook the rices? Yes, Shabab. How many brothers they can cook the rices? Shabab with me?
maybe nobody.
How come? No, a lot of brothers they are saying yes. Okay, that's good. Can we put the rices before water? We have a pot. We want to cook the rices. Can we put rices before the water? That's good. A lot of brothers saying no. Okay, first we need to put the water, then rices. So this is what? This is what, Shabab? This cascade. First you have one step, then you have the second step. Output of the one step will go as the set point for the other step. Shabab with me?
Yes, with you.
Okay, that's good. Okay, if we have 1 cup of rices, how much water we need? How much water we need, Shabab?
4 cup, maybe? Or
2
3?
cup, very good. Brother Ali is saying 2 cup. 2 cups, always. So what is this, Shabab? What is this control? Ratio. Very good. A lot of brothers they are writing ratio. This is ratio control. In our life, we are revolving around the ratio control. Everybody is taking the breath, right? Right, Shabab?
But again?
Everybody is taking the breath.
Breath.
Sounds.
Yeah, yeah.
Right, Shabab? So how much oxygen should be there? What is the ratio of oxygen in the air? Not 75%. Yes, Shabab. What is the ratio of oxygen in the air? Approximately how much? Not 80%. Check the internet.
20, teacher, maybe 20.
20, yes, approximately 20%. Approximately, I am not exact. Approximately 20%. So again, this is ratio control. How much the percentage of water we have in our body? Yes, Shabab. How much is the percentage of water in our body? Okay, one brother Ali is writing 70%. Imagine for 1 minute, say it is correct. If it is decreases, what will happen, Shabab? Whichever ratio is there, if it decreases, what will happen? Yeah, Shabab. If this ratio decreases, then what will happen?
Maybe die, teacher.
We will get the sick. If any chemical ratio disturb in our body, we get the sick. So then we need to take the medicine. Shabab with me?
Yes.
Shabab with me?
Yes, with you, teacher. Continue.
Okay, that's good. So for the ratio control, let's start with the example. Let's start with one example. And this example approximately we already discussed, but in other perspective. Now we are taking it another perspective. So we have two streams coming. Two streams are coming. Two streams are coming, Shabab. This is feed 1 and this is feed 2. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes.
That's good. Flow indicator transmitter 1 is there. It is sending signal to the flow indicator controller 1. It is sending signal I to P converter. We have a valve here like this. Same here. Flow indicator transmitter 2 sending signal to the flow indicator controller 2. It has a set point here. It has set point here. It is sending signal I to P converter. We have a valve here. Shabab with me?
Yes.
Okay. This one always 1 liter and this is always 2 liter. Fixed. 1 liter will come, 2 liter will come. We will mix it here. So we have a motor here that is mixing it. So it will be mixed. Shabab with me?
Yes, with you, teacher.
Okay. No, if it is always 1 liter, this is always 2 liter. Is it necessary to put all this equipment here? Is it necessary? Is there any way that we can save some equipment? We can save some equipment. It means we can save some money. Is it possible, Shabab?
I still.
Yeah, brother, listen, yes. Okay, tell us how we can save it. Please tell us. So he is giving one clue, and this is good. Minimum he's thinking. So yes, we can save the money. So what we can do? We remove this controller. We remove all these things, right? We just take this one there, and what we do? We bring this signal to the signal calculator. Signal calculator. Signal calculator. This signal calculator is like a calculator. Any of you guys have seen the signal calculator, Shabab? Some brother has seen the signal calculator, Shabab?
No. Both me.
No, okay, no problem. When you come to the lab, please, I will show you the signal calculator. It is like simple calculator. It take 1 input, 2 input, 3 input, 4 input, whatever we want, and give the output according to our settings. we set the calculation. For example, its output will bring here to this controller. So this one is 1 liter, this is 2 liter. So what should be the calculation here, Shabab? What should be the calculation here? Here, very good, 1 by 2. So here if it is coming 1, it will multiply with it, it will give the output 2. Right, Shabab? Double the output. Shabab with me?
Yes.
Okay. Now, when this ratio is fixed, we can save the equipment like this. So how much we save?
A lot.
We save one controller here. Right, Shabab? Very good.
And one
Brother Ali is writing one controller here. We save one transmitter. Transmitter is here. The brother Ali is writing also the transmitter. No, transmitter is still there. We
Valve.
save a controller. We save I2P converter. We save the control valve. 3 things we save. Right, Shabab?
Yes.
So what do we lose? What do we lose? Always there is a bargain. You take something, you give something. So what do we lose? Now feed 1. Do feed 1 has any control, Shabab? Does it have any control?
No.
No.
So
now this feed 1 become wild. No, this is wild. Wild. Uncontrolled. Right, Shabab?
Fine.
And this feed 2 is controlled because the controller is on this feed, right, Shabab? So we save the equipment, but we make one feed wild, uncontrolled, and the other feed we make the controlled. Shabab with me?
Yes, teacher, with you. Continue.
So what is its name? What is the name of this feed, Shabab? What is the name of this scheme? Ratio relay controller. What is the name of this scheme, Shabab? Ratio relay controller. Ratio relay controller. So we're going to discuss like 3-4 more schemes, inshallah, Shabab. And once again, Shabab, here, what we did here. Originally, this system was given, both controllers were there, both transmitters were there, both valves were there, I2P converter were there, everything was there. This was independent line, this was also independent line. Imagine this is milk, this is water, or whatever you want, you can imagine. We were bringing them here, mixing. Always this one, always 2 liter this one. Like rices, 1 cup of rices, 2 cup of water. Okay. Somebody asked us, this ratio is fixed and it is all the time we are using it like this. So why don't we save some equipment? Okay. So how we can save? We will remove the controller from here. We will remove the valve from here. We will remove the I2P converter from here. Take this signal. This is what? PV. Bring it here. Now this signal for this controller, it is set point. SP. Right, Shabab? It is working as a SP. Okay, no problem. And the PV is coming from here. And this is the output. So if, for example, here it is decreases, it will also decrease here. Imagine it make it like 0.75 liter. So it will also close this valve, reduce it. Right? It is increasing, it make it 1.5 liter, for example, more flow. It will also open the valve more, and it will also more flow here. So we get what? We save the equipment. We save one control valve, one I2P converter, one controller. Now what we lose? What we give? It is a bargain. So we give this, now this line is uncontrolled. This feed 1 is uncontrolled, wild. It become wild. But feed 2 is controlled. But again, it depends upon our application. If it is like milk and water, no problem. What happens? But if it is very sensitive, then we need to think. Then we cannot apply the ratio controller. So we give this signal to the ratio, signal calculator. Output of the signal calculator we apply here. Any question up to here, Shabab?
Question, teacher.
Yes, please.
About the kind of flow. If it's
Sorry.
about the kind of a flow, is it important to use the same signal of calculated? If it's like how can I say that? You know, شو العسل بالانجليزي guys.
Honey.
Honey, like honey, yeah.
honey.
Okay.
So is that will affect of this or not?
You mean this signal and this signal?
If the kind of a flow is honey,
Again, whichever type of flow is there. For example, take this example. You are mixing honey into the milk, right?
yes,
1 liter honey, 2 liter of milk you are mixing, right, Shabab?
yes.
So this flow indicator transmitter we already calibrated for honey.
Fine. So fine.
So we are not caring what is. If it is water, we will calibrate it for the water. If it is honey, we will bring the honey flow indicator transmitter. If it is benzene, we'll bring the transmitter for the benzene. So it depends which material you are passing. You know, we are not talking that. We are talking general.
Okay, fine. I got the answer.
You got the answer. Okay, that's good. Any other brother has a question, Shabab?
Teacher,
Yes, please.
can you summarize the system of ratio in the one word?
Sorry?
Can you to understand in one word, teacher?
Actually, your voice is cutting. Can you please say it again, please?
Okay. Can you summarize this system in the one word, teacher? To understand,
See,
teacher.
the one word is ratio control. What is this control? Ratio.
Control. Yes, I know ratio, but
Okay. Now, there is a fixed ratio between two streams. This is 1 liter, this is 2 liter. And we want to save the equipment. Save the equipment mean what? We want to save the money. Right?
yes, teacher.
So we have to remove some equipment. If we want to save the money, your application is not very sensitive. It is not very important. So you can save the money. So you just remove the control of one line and keep the control of the other line. This is the simple explanation. So from here we remove the controller, we remove the final control element valve, we remove I2P converter. So now this is free line, wide line. This is controller. So we save the money, but we lose the control.
But it doesn't affect main function for any system, for the system.
If it is like cakes, you are making cake or you are making something, like this, no problem. But imagine you are making a medicine, right?
Yes.
If you are making a medicine and somehow this line get cut, is there any way the controller knows this line get cut?
Yes. In the app,
Is there any way?
What?
No way. Brother with me?
Yes, with you, teacher. Yes, with you.
Okay. So if your application is not very sensitive, it is not medicine, it is not very sensitive, no problem. Make the ratio controller, no problem. you know. But if your application is very sensitive, if it is like very important, then you cannot make the ratio controller. There is a bargain. You are saving the money, you are losing something.
I understand.
You get the answer,
Thank you.
Shabab? You are welcome. Any other brother has the question, Shabab?
Yes, I get answer. Thank you, teacher.
Thank you very much. Any other brother has the question, Shabab?
Thank you.
Any brother has question, please ask. Okay, a lot of brothers, they are saying no. Okay, Shabab. Now we are stopping here, inshallah. And we will start from here the coming week. What we cover today, we start with the cascade control, and we discuss the cascade control with two slaves and one master, series and parallel. After that, we discuss some examples of the cascade control, and then we saw how to what mode we should select for the cascade control, primary one and secondary one, and then we see the way of tuning the cascade system, and then we start the ratio control. So inshallah, coming week we will start from here the ratio control again. Any brother has any question, Shabab? Please ask. Some brother has any question, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you very much, Shabab. Okay, if there is no question, thank you very much. Have a nice weekend, Shabab. Thank you very much.